SpongeBob SquarePants. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tynika Renee, and if you're not, then thank you for coming back. So y'all, today is Tuesday the 9th. I know y'all have been hearing about this Krabby Patty meal from Burger King, so I'm like, hopefully I'm not too late for me and the kids to go try, because if y'all know anything about Tristan, he loves SpongeBob down. Do you hear me? And when I told him about the Krabby Patty meal, his eyes just lit up. So if I get to Burger King and they don't have it, I'm gonna file a emotional distress lawsuit, because I'm pretty sure Tristan is gonna be stressed out. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and go do that, and that's all this vlog is gonna be. So this may not be any longer than about 15 minutes or so, but I did want to try it because I think it's something fun to do. And I watched SpongeBob. I started watching SpongeBob when I was 10 years old. I'm 35 now. So it's funny that now my kids watch it. Well, Tristan watches it more than Taya. But it's funny that now my kids watch SpongeBob. And I just think that's like, you want to be in it?
Yeah.
And I just think it's come like full circle. So we're going to go try it. Hopefully we're going to go try it, because they tearing these Burger Kings down left and right for some reason. I'm not sure if I want to try it though. Should I try it too? You want me to try it too? Okay, child. I'm going to try it just because you want me to. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Are you excited?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's go. Look, Tristan, the bikini bottom bundle.
You see that? Mm-hmm. What kind of bird can you rule?
Hi, do you guys still have the Krabby Patty meal?
You want the bundle or the meal?
The meal. And I want to do 3 of those.
Small, medium, or large for those?
Let me do 2 small, 1 medium.
What's the drink?
Sweet tea for 2 of them, and a Dr. Pepper for the medium one.
Is there 2 small, 1 medium?
Yes.
Anything else for you?
That's it.
First one, representing.
Thank you. I thought it came in an actual like kids meal, but it doesn't. So I had to get the kids bigger meals. Hi. Uh-huh. Okay. Gotta unlock my card, child. Okay, 1 second. Because if you don't lock your car, Apple will rob you like a thief in the night, and they ain't finna rob me. And almost $40. What? Taya, we could have went to Texas Roadhouse. Oh, yes. Thank you. Okay, y'all got y'all to put them on, child. Put yours on, Taya.
I gotta make sure I'm not gonna mess up.
Oh, just sit it on top of your thing. Yeah, that's all you gotta do. Nothing too crazy. One thing, I feel like it should have came in a kid's meal, since a lot of kids actually watch SpongeBob. I mean, adults watch it too, don't get me wrong, but we finna see what this is about. Let me see you. How you break it, Tristan? Let's just stick it through here. Okay, just put it on your head, okay?
Yeah.
Hold on, I think I can fix it. I hope. There we go. Just sit it on top of your head. One thing about it, y'all, I'm going to get my short form and my long at the same time. We're trying to take this channel up. You know, I need 1,000 subscribers by December 31st, and today is the 9th. Do y'all think that's possible? I believe anything is possible if you believe that it can happen. You know what kind of God I serve. So, yeah, we ain't got to say too much. Oh.
Sorry.
Yo, what? Oh my God, I lost my mind. Why am I still sitting at the window back there? Lord, help me get it together. I feel like I was waiting for something at that window, or maybe I've just gotten so used to going to restaurants where only one window work anyway, and you do everything at one window.
Like Bojangles?
Yes, I've gotten so used to that, child. Don't judge me. Okay, hold this, sir. Why do I not feel like I'm getting everything that everybody else had? Where's the box at? Everybody else had, I feel like everybody else had theirs in like this box or something, and it came with the cake and everything. Oh. I don't know. Huh, Tristan?
Mine forgot to
Thank you.
Good day.
You too. Tell her what Tristan about the box.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what this is. Like, is this not what the meal was? Why was everybody else's in the box and ours isn't? Let me park somewhere. So she said this was a Krabby Whopper meal, but when I look on TikTok and everything else, I don't feel like that's what I have. SpongeBob's Krabby Whopper with cheese. Wait, mine's gonna have no cheese actually because I think I'm lactose intolerant, and I think that's okay. Look at it. Look at the bun, y'all.
What the?
You see the bun, Tristan?
Yeah. What about my slot?
Oh, I'm sorry, Tristan.
Sweet tea.
Let me type in Krabby Whopper meal then. All right, y'all. So I'm not sure where we left off because my camera just did something really weird. Something came up that said write and file slow or something like that. And I've never seen that. The only thing that I can think of is that I had it sitting up here on the dashboard and it must have overheated or something. So if I repeat something, I'm sorry, but the kids love the Krabby Patty. I just wanted them to get the full experience, especially if I spent my money. But they did say it was only going to be while supplies lasted. So I'm guessing we didn't get here while the supplies lasted. So, but the main thing that Tristan wanted anyway was the Krabby Patty. And he said he loves it. So I guess mission accomplished. But I wanted them to get like everything. And I've just had to find me a reason to get a Dr. Pepper because who don't like Dr. Pepper? What do you think of it, Tail?
Feel good.
Okay. Tristan? Delicious?
Mm.
On a scale of 1 to 10?
100,000,000.
Are you happy you finally got to live your dreams of eating a Krabby Patty?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that makes me so happy. Do you feel good about it?
Mm-hmm.
That makes it worth the money that I spent because who don't like to see a smile on their kids' faces? I tell you what, I might do another one of these. I will go to another Burger King, not today, but I will go to another one to get the full experience. The pie and everything. SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants. Is that how they be saying it?
Uh-huh.
Who lives in the pineapple under the sea?
SpongeBob
As something can be.
SquarePants.
What's the West Tail?
No,
I got these kids eating Krabby Patties. They act like they don't know the song.
We don't.
What? You're Mr. Krabs, Tristan?
Mm-hmm.
Who are you, Tail?
Patrick, because Patrick is lazy.
Child. And you know what? I'm gonna have to say I'm SpongeBob. I'm the star of the show. And besides, I can make this Krabby Patty at home because I'm the cook in my house anyway. So I think it's very fitting that I'm SpongeBob. What about y'all? Y'all think that?
No, you're Sandy. You're smart like Sandy.
Oh, Taya said I'm Sandy because I'm smart like Sandy. That's my girl. Sandy used to be my girl back in the day. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. That is my girl. Wait, I haven't even tasted this yet, y'all. Hold on. Y'all, let me taste this burger real quick to make sure it doesn't to make sure it tastes good. And I gotta hurry up before my camera overheats because that was my first time ever seeing that. Let's see what this hitting for. Oh wait, no. Immediately onions gotta come off. I do not do onions, y'all. I do not do onions.
My onions are good.
Did you eat your onions, Tristan?
Yeah. They are good.
He ate everything on the burger.
Since when do you eat onions, Tristan? Or you just wanted to hurry up and eat the thing? This is how it looks. Yeah. Oh, God. I don't know if y'all can see, but it's like yellow. Can y'all, do I need to bring it back? Oh, maybe that's right there. That's it right there. It's yellow.
It reminds me of one that had a sponge patty and SpongeBob.
Let me try it.
I almost choked because I breathed in while eating this pickle.
I
Child.
just eat the pickle.
Well, this is actually good. But as we all know, a Whopper is busting anyway, right? A Whopper good anyway. Burger King has way better burgers than McDonald's. Argue with somebody else, but this is actually good. I just wish I could have a piece of cheese.
What about
But
Speedo?
dairy does me dirty, y'all. But it tastes extra good today because this is our first time eating all day, y'all. And it is 2 o'clock. But it was worth it. I think so. SpongeBob, where you at? Why are you not up here, SpongeBob? We wanted to see you too.
Yeah.
So we wasn't good enough for you to leave your pineapple for? For real? Back at it again. I gotta see this through, y'all.
Hold on, the burger. Can I take the water?
Huh? Hi, can I have the bikini bottom bundle?
Alright.
I'm just not realizing we don't have the bottom of the zero.
Alright, we don't have the shortcake pie. We can change it out for a Hershey pie.
Okay.
And we don't got the pineapple float either, ma'am.
Oh goodness, so you don't have the
we don't have the foam, the top part, but we do have the pineapple.
Oh, they just don't have the foam that goes on top of it.
And you said you don't have the shortcake pie?
Yeah, we do not. You can get a Hershey pie.
Okay, I'll take the Hershey pie. And on that burger, I don't want any cheese, but I want everything else on it.
Okay, the Whopper, no cheese. Anything else?
That's it.
Alright, total 1623. First one though.
Do I look crazy coming back through the drive-thru? And y'all, they still don't have the... What is wrong with this camera?
Bundle.
They still don't have the float. Y'all, they still don't have the shortcake. So they said change it for a Hershey pie. I wanted to try everything. $50 spent at Burger King today, but we're gonna see. And let me not sit right there again like I did the first time. Ooh, I was not expecting that deep voice. What the hell?
Just look, got SpongeBob on it.
Okay. Thank you.
Now, why the box like that?
It's SpongeBob.
Ooh, y'all, he got a deep voice. Now we got the box, but we still don't have the cake. And what am I doing going in the drive-thru again? Back in because, yeah, nobody finna damn kidnap us. All right, take 2, y'all. Oh, it's the crying part? Okay, yeah. Say,
Alright.
you ready? You ready? Did he give me a straw?
Straw's over there.
Get you one, Tail.
These look spicy from.
What do you think, Tristan?
Mm-hmm.
They're good? I can't eat the cheese, but the kids say they're good. They're good? This tastes just like a frozen pineapple Fanta, y'all. It's content, y'all.
It looks even funnier than it on camera.
You be having wet burps, Tristan. We got this Hershey pie, y'all. We wanted the other thing, but this will do, I guess. Okay, tell me what you think. There we go. How does it taste?
Good.
It tastes good? Okay, taste. It's good, Tristan?
Yep.
Look at tail.
That's it.
I need to take a picture of y'all. I'm scared to eat this, y'all.
It's good. Remember?
We still didn't get the full experience, but did you enjoy yourself, Tail?
Definitely.
Did you enjoy yourself, Tristan? Did you? Did you? Was your burger good? Was the drink good? It was? Okay, well, that's all that matters. And y'all, I had to go back in the drive-thru that second time because I'm like, I'm not going to be satisfied if we don't get the full experience, because that is literally the reason that we came over here. Now, we still didn't get the pie, but we got everything else. And I'm just going to save this Whopper for later, because if I eat anything else, my stomach will probably pop. And we can't have that. As long as my kids enjoy themselves, that is all that matters. The amount of money I spent will be made back over and over and over again. But Patrick and Mr. Krabs, y'all ready to go? All right, let's go then. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Bye.